This function rounds a number down towards 0. It has two arguments. In number argument, select any value or number that you want round. In a num_digits argument, select an integer that specifies the number of digits that you want to round value or number. In number box, select this cell reference. In a num_digits box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function round this value down to 2 decimal places. Because number in num_digits box is greater than 0. As a result, function rounds this value down to 2 decimal places. Active this cell. Scroll down. Click round down function. In number box, select this cell reference. In num_digits box, select this cell reference. Click OK. As this number is equal to 0, function rounds this value down to the nearest integer. Active this cell. Click round down function. In number box, select this cell reference. In num_digits box, select this cell reference. Click OK. As this number is less than 0, function rounds this value down to the nearest 100 left of the decimal places. Paste the same formula in these cells. Double click. In this way, round down function is used.